Hey everybody, my name's Charlie. This is Broke Dad Builds, coming to you live from a place in the United States with a C10. Thanks for watching the channel. I'm new here to the YouTube, interweb, social media thing. So yeah, there's that. If I'm not as good as all these other fancy YouTubers, then that's okay. I'm trying to make something out of this truck so I can enjoy it with my family and do it as cheap as I can, because it's too expensive for everything nowadays. And I've been working on this for a while. As you can see in my other video, I posted a little overview of the truck. It was in rough shape, really rough shape. And I got it for pretty much nothing. I had a old Yamaha V-Star motorcycle that I restored that I paid nothing for. And I ended up trading it for this thing in all its glory, all its beautiful rusty glory. It was covered in rust, but it had potential. And the old engine in 700R4 that was in it was just wore out, and I really didn't want to deal with rebuilding that trans and engine and stuff, because I had in my heart a desire to put an LS in it so I can make some of the purists mad, but also because it's fun to mess with fuel injection and programming and trying to mess with tunes and stuff. Because I like tinkering with stuff, and who doesn't? You gotta play with it for a while, you know what I mean? You gotta really get to know it so you can get better at it. But thanks for joining, watching the channel, watching my videos in shorts. Not me in shorts, but the shorts videos. Anyway, subscribe, like, feedback thing, put comments and whatnot if you want to. If not, I appreciate you at least taking a second or so to see the video. And yeah, have a good day.